Hey everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. And if you've ever tried to open an Excel workbook only to be greeted by that big red warning bar saying, Microsoft has blocked macros from running, don't worry, I've got you. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to safely unblock macros if you know the file is from a trusted source. I'll also explain why this happens, because honestly, it can be a bit confusing the first time you see it. So let's sort it out together. Okay, so you've opened a workbook, and you're seeing this message with a red background. Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted. It usually happens when you've downloaded a file from the internet or an email attachment. Excel sees it as potentially risky, even if you know it's safe. Important. Only follow these steps if you're absolutely sure the file is from a trusted source. Your macros might be doing powerful things behind the scenes, and it's best to be cautious. All right? Assuming you've checked that, here's how to unblock the file so your macros can run. Before we change anything, go ahead and close the Excel workbook you're trying to unblock. We can't edit its settings while it's open. Don't worry, you're not losing anything here. We're just making it accessible for macros. Now find the actual file on your computer. Most likely, it's in your Downloads folder, especially if you grabbed it from an email or online. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. You might see a few options pop up. What you're looking for is Show More Options. Click that. Then scroll down and choose Properties. This opens up a new window with details about the file. In the Properties window, make sure you're on the General tab. It should open there by default. Now look toward the bottom where it says Security. If you see a message that says, This file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer, you'll also see a checkbox labeled Unblock. Tick that checkbox. Then click OK to save your changes and close the window. Just like that, the file is now marked as safe by Windows, and Excel should stop blocking your macros. Now go ahead and open the file again in Excel. And this time, you should find that your macros are now working just fine. No red banner, no scary warnings, and your buttons and scripts should all run as expected. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical Excel tips, and share it with someone who's learning macros too. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next one.